All right, here it is. The 2016 Father and Son Campout. This year, Gibson was at the one last year, weren't you? This year, it's Hudson's first Father and Son Campout campfire. Friday night. They will not be spending the night, but they will be at the campfire. They're in their camping chairs in the great outdoors in the state of Virginia. Fortunately, the rain let up. It was raining this morning. And the sun came out, and it's the first time in a couple of weeks that we've seen the sun, I believe.
40 days, definitely, bro.
How many?
40 days and nights.
That's got a creepy, unfortunate number, isn't it? All right, we're working on the s'mores. Are you going to have some s'mores? Okay, put those down. Who's making the s'mores? Ethan's making them.
And there's no
Ethan's preparing the s'mores.
Okay, you tell us tonight.
Yeah, mine doesn't have a hook either. Mine's the real one.
Fire cam.
Fire cam.
The iPhone goes into the heat.
Oh man, that's
It's nice that we're so close.
Fire
now we're
cam.
cooking.
Huh?
It's nice that we're so close.
Fire cam.
It is. Clear out this extra wood so that people have a... Did you ever camp here, like, when you were in scouting?
I believe so.
That's the way I do it.